Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete your Discord server on PC. First of all, open the Discord app on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, navigate to the target server that you own. Click on the arrow icon beside the server name at the top left corner, and this will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Server Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the server settings. Here, you will see an option that says Delete Server. Click on it. You will be prompted to confirm the deletion by typing the server name. Enter the server name exactly as it appears. This step ensures that the deletion is intentional and prevents accidental deletions. Once you have entered the server name, confirm the deletion. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.